Today we will be reviewing the Virtual Dataworks Voice Solutions Unified Communications Client, or UC Client for short. The UC Client provides a versatile way to connect to the phone system wherever there is an internet connection present via your browser. Currently supported browsers include Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. The first step when accessing the voice portal is to type in the URL https://voice.virtualdataworks.com. Upon entering this URL, you will be greeted with a landing page prompting for a username and password. This username and password will be provided to you by the Virtual Dataworks team prior to your go-live date. Upon logging into the voice portal or the Unified Communications portal, you will be greeted with a welcome message, the date, the time, and a few options in the center of the screen, such as start a call, start a meeting, start a chat, and go to Account Manager. For demo and training purposes today, I will review how to make a call, how to receive a call, how to manage your contacts, how to manage your voicemail, and any other ancillary items such as call routing and do not disturb. First, we will review making a call and receiving a call. Please note, in order for best experiences, you may want to connect a USB headset or a Bluetooth headset directly to the device you're using to access this web page, whether it be your desktop or your laptop. You can utilize your laptop's microphone. However, the call quality may be best with an external microphone. In order to create a call or make an outbound call, please click the dial pad option in the top left. This banner at the top will be persistent throughout the entire web page. Once you click this, a dial pad or a dialer will pop out. This will allow you to click each key or type on your keyboard whatever extension and or 10-digit phone number that you may want to dial. In order to place the call, please dial the phone number in question, then click the phone button at the bottom. This will initiate the call. When receiving a call, you will see a prompt in the top right-hand corner. To answer this call, please click the Accept key. Once the call is connected, you will then be live on this call. From here, there are several options you can do to manage this call. You can mute your audio. You can place the call on hold. You can add an additional call, so a conferencing session. You can transfer the call to an external party or another member, or you can simply hang up the phone call. Please note it is also best practice, once you're logged into this web page, is to keep this web page open throughout the day. This will allow your status to show as active, and you will be prompted to receive any phone calls throughout the day that you may have coming inbound to your phone. A normal ringtone will appear, so make sure that your microphone or speakers are turned up a bit so you can then notify the ringtone and answer the call accordingly. The Unified Communications Manager also has a meeting and a chat function. Typically, we recommend not to use this function because most clients have Microsoft Teams integrated. It's a much more robust solution, and it keeps everything centralized within Microsoft 365. We will review the options on the left pane here. The first section here are all contacts. All contacts will be displayed within your organization. For demo purposes, I only have the two here. Clicking left to right here, this is the company contacts. This will display a long directory or short directory of all of your current contacts within your organization. The personal contacts, this is a section that you can actually create personal contacts that may or may not be within your organization, such as an external cell phone number, etc. Similar idea, you can also have favorites. What you can do is if you create a contact and hover over them, there will be a star next to the favorite. If you'd like to actually add that to your favorite contacts, just click the star. Frequently, this would be your most frequent contacts that you contact throughout the day. Speed dial, you can actually create speed dials within the system. It's similar to a contact if you wanted to dial quickly. If you had a long phone number that you just wanted to program into the system, you can do that right here. There also is a global search at the top, so if you type a name or a phone number into this search box, it will appear and populate based on whatever you have in your contact list across the system. Moving top to bottom here on the navigation, on the left-hand side, the home button is obviously your dashboard here. There is a messaging option. Again, we don't recommend using the chat and the messaging option due to Microsoft Teams integration. Same thing here with the meetings. This does have a meeting function, but again, we do not recommend using it. Clicking the voicemail option, this will give you a fully functional voicemail manager where you can add, delete, listen to all of your voicemails accordingly. You can even forward them. You will also be receiving your voicemails directly to your email as well. Once you delete a voicemail from here, this will sync across the entire system, so it will delete on if you have a physical phone as well as the Cornexa mobile app. Call history. This will show all of your call history within the last time frame specified here. You do last month, you can even pick a custom date. It will then show all of your call history, the name, the phone number, the date the actual call was made or received, the time, and the duration of the call. These are links, so if you'd like to actually redial this number, see if you hover over the link, it'll actually change to a clickable link. If you click that, it will then dial the number for you. Clicking on the avatar, which is in this case it's VD for Virtual Dataworks, this gives you a few options to set your presence, whether you're available, away. You can turn on Do Not Disturb, and Invisible basically hides your presence from the rest of the directory. You can also sign out directly from by clicking the avatar, or you can go right into Settings. We'll touch on settings here briefly, going from top to bottom. The appearance is just simply the background that you're going to be greeted with when logging into the portal. Typically, this rotates, by default it rotates in a random order, but if you'd like to select one that you prefer, you can go ahead and just click that there. Calling, there are some options here within the calling section. We recommend that you do not change these directly, and if you are in need of some support, please contact our team to assist you with call routing. The most functional feature here I feel like is the Do Not Disturb option. You can turn that on. Please note that if you do turn this on, this syncs across the system, so this will turn on Do Not Disturb for your physical phone, also the UC client here, and your Cornexa application if you do utilize those applications as well. Conferencing, again, we don't recommend using, we recommend using Teams for this. Integrations, there are some integrations, but this is not applicable in this case. Your profile, this is actually data that's populated by our team, stating your company name, your email address, and then your physical E911 location. Security, this is a good thing to note. If you'd ever like to update your password here for the UC client, this is how you do so. You type in your current password and then type in your new password you'd like it to be twice. Test connection, this is basically an internet connection test to ensure that the stability of your internet connection is suitable for the client, the UC client itself. Working our way down the navigation here, if you click the grid, there's a few options here. The mobile download will actually prompt you, if you are in need of downloading the Cornexa mobile app, you can click this and you can scan the QR code and it will take you directly to the App Store. Also, there is an option to log in with this QR code via the app. So if you scan that, it'll automatically log you into the system. This concludes the walkthrough for the Unified Communications Client. Essentially, this is, again, a versatile platform to access the phone system anywhere with a web browser. The biggest thing to note here is if you plan on using this on a day-to-day basis, please make sure to keep the web browser open while you're working so then that you can receive notifications if a call is made inbound to you. Also, for best quality, we recommend using an external headset, whether that's USB or Bluetooth. Any questions regarding this video, please feel free to contact the Virtual Dataworks Help Desk at 330-800-2186 or via email at helpdesk@virtualdataworks.com. Thank you.